Hey there, it's Jill Lee, founder and director of the Energy Healing Institute, and this little ditty is about your bodacious belief systems. We do everything we do using our beliefs as the backdrop to how we live our lives. And yet so much of our beliefs are unconscious. So today we're going to talk about bringing what is unconscious to conscious awareness so that we are creating through consciously held beliefs. So do you think you're aware of your beliefs? On the surface, sure you are. Sure you are. There's lots of things you know you believe are true. But in the still pool of the unconscious, you're unaware until you dive below. Let's start with a little definition of belief systems. You know, I consider them to be energetic implants. And what does that mean? Well, you're not really born with a set of beliefs about your goodness or your religious orientation or your cultural mores and rules and constructs. That doesn't really happen. You come in and you're kind of a blank canvas. And then other people's ideas and rules and thoughts about how you are supposed to be, who you should be, what you should believe, they start coming at you. But you didn't create these beliefs. They were imposed. They were implanted. And they then get stored in your unconscious awareness. So these beliefs live in you, yet you need not live through them. There is an absolute truth that what is real and true for others may not actually be true for you. So where are these energetic implants, your belief systems, housed? Well, they're housed in your sixth chakra, in the center of your head, not your third eye. That's a very different chakra. Your sixth astral chakra is the governing energy for your beliefs. It holds the energy of your ideas, your thoughts, and even your manifest experience. What you create and actualize in your life is influenced by the beliefs that you house in that chakra. So here's the good news. You own your energy. Your sixth chakra belongs to you to evolve. It's not as simple as saying, oh, I changed my mind, I believe this. There's energy behind those beliefs. And that's why it's really important to have a foundational set of energy practices to help you evolve what you no longer choose to believe. So how do we do this? Well, let's pick something and use one thing as an example. Pick a behavior, pick a pattern or a theme that you'd like to change. Let's say you have a tendency to reactivity. Let's say you are a caretaker. That's a pattern. Let's say you have difficulty making friends. That's a theme. So pick something that you'd like to change. And then bring your awareness within yourself. Invite your unconscious awareness to become conscious. When you think about that behavior pattern or theme, what beliefs emerge in your awareness? As this information emerges, how does it sit with you? How does it feel? Does it feel like how you want to be in your life? If it doesn't, choose, consciously imagine an evolved, more authentic belief. So if you're reactive, imagine thinking, I'm calm, I'm clear, I listen, and I contemplate before I respond. If you're a caretaker, imagine putting yourself first and trusting that other people will take care of themselves. If you have difficulty making friends, imagine yourself surrounded with a community of like-minded people who you enjoy spending your time with, and that it's easy for you to connect and make friends. So invest yourself in consciously imagining an evolved and authentic belief. From there, apply energy clearing practices. And if you look in the link to this video, you'll see a couple of courses that I recommend for learning to clear your energy, because you can do this on your own. And then, as you clear and you go about your life, observe and validate any shifts you see. So as you move into some sort of confrontational experience and you don't react, you simply listen. And then you say, I'll have to give that some thought. You validate that. Look what I did. I did that. And then you remain alert to nuances. That belief may show up in slightly different ways. That old belief may assert itself in a situation that it didn't before. Pay attention, and then return to those energy clearing practices. Lastly, think in terms of an intention for crystallizing the work, for owning who you are choosing to be, so that you create a vibrational alignment that supports your work. You can feel free to use this intention or create your own, but use an I am statement. Claim it right here and right now. I am evolving, growing, aligned and purposeful as I choose what I believe and think, and I attract opportunities, experiences, and people who resonate with me.